You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
How you doing, guys? This is my grandson Hunter. He's 4 years old, and he wanted to start the day off by showing you that he can spin the Max Trainer. Want some music, Hunter?
Yeah.
All right. Here it comes. Do your thing, buddy. He watches me work out all the time and talking to you guys. And when I'm done, I see it. And when I'm done, he jumps on behind me. So we wanted to show you today. Go ahead, keep your workout going. All right, I hope you enjoy that. So let me get him situated, settled down, and then we'll start our workout. All right, guys, let's get on with our workout. Today, calorie burn. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe. I put it right on the screen for you. Hit that bell notification because I upload every day. If you have an alternative heart monitoring system, I use the iPhone watch. Make sure you set that. My M7 also gives me heart monitor right on my computer screen. Let's find cardio burn. And in 3, 2, 1, hit the start. Let's go. It's a 15-minute program. It has 6 stages. Gets a little crazy in the beginning, and then it'll steadily climb all the way up to a resistance of 20 and drop us up and down there. Let's get some music going. Remember, on all these programs, just do the best you can do. I'm feeling a little under the weather today, so I'm just going to make it through the workout. I'm not trying to set the world on fire. It's on a resistance of 12 right now. Should jump up to 20 in a minute. There it is. Make sure you really engage the upper body. When it's real hard to do. Your body warmed up. Get the feel of it. Don't try to rush nothing. Just have a good workout. Now it's down at resistance of 4. This is where it'll slowly start climbing up the wall. We're in stage 2 already. That's spinning. Don't get excited yet. We got a long ways to go. That's 100 calories already. On the heart rate. Not ridiculous. Resistance of 10 now. It's going to keep climbing. Alright, that's the first 5 minutes out of the way. Doing great. Stage 3. Resistance of 12. Heart rate is 155. Like I said, I feel a little under the water today. I've been moping around, trying to get motivated. Just gonna do what I can do. Hoping a good workout. Needs to be perked back up for work tomorrow. I don't like to just sit still and feel sick. I can try to get it out of my system. Resistance of 14. Just went up to 16 now. Really engage those arms. Help your whole body out here. Don't just depend on your legs. Resistance of 18. 162 on the heart rate. That's it, just keep pushing it. Resistance of 20. Stage 4. Just hit 200 calories. Yeah, I'm breathing heavy today. Hard to do this when you don't feel good. Still resistance at 20. She'll come down soon. There she is. Drink water. Alright, all the way down to 4. Don't let it freak you out. Just spin through it. Because it's going to jump straight up as soon as it's done. 5 minutes left. It's all the way back up. It's going to hold us here for a few minutes. Keep pumping. I know it's hard. Don't give up. Alright, all the way back down to 4 now. $300. Well, a little more, but I don't know if we're making 400 calories today. We normally do. I'm not feeling it though. Less than 3 minutes. Okay, it's back up. Stage 6. Last stage. Just fight through it. Two minutes. Long ways to go to get 400. Fight it. Don't give up. So I got 25 calories to get there. To hit my 400. 1 minute left. Seconds left. Still got 9 calories to get there. Five calories to get there. 15 seconds almost. $400. 9 seconds left. $403 calories. Struggling, not feeling good. Took everything I had. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.